Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great today. Welcome to my channel Enchanted Spiritual Tarot. I want to say thank you to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate you all for joining me in this channel today. I came up with another reading to see the energies of divine masculines and the messages from your person. In this reading, I have not used any tarot cards, and I have used these color cards as energy cards to see the current energies of your person, and also my handwritten messages to see what your person has to say. Okay, followed by messages from romance angels and hidden truth, and also I have pulled out a love song for you all in this reading today. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the reading now. So we got infatuation, and underneath that we got door to personal healing and happiness. So maybe your person is fantasizing about you a lot. They are constantly thinking about you, daydreaming about you, and craving you in their dreams. Okay, which helps them to go through some personal healing, and the thought about you makes them feel happy. Okay, we got envy followed by a journey card. So they are feeling jealous on you in this journey of your relationship, by seeing that you are doing so well in your life. Okay, you are moving forward in your life, and maybe you are posting your pictures with other people on social media, so they are checking on you and they are feeling jealous on the people around you to see getting close to you. We got yin yang. Underneath that we got new love. A new love or recommitment to love is developing. So yin yang is our twin flame connection. Okay, this is a divine masculine and divine feminine energies. So maybe they are falling in love for you. This may be a brand new person. Okay, which is keeping tabs, who is keeping tabs on you in this relationship, who is looking at your pictures. Okay, or it can be a person from your past, so just take what resonates. Okay, we got caring connections and marriage. This relationship is destined for lasting joy. So they want caring connections with you. They want to take this relationship to next level of commitment. Okay, we got financial constraints. Underneath that we got release. Radical acceptance and surrender can help you let go. So maybe they have to work hard in order to financially secure your future with them in this relationship, and they have to release these constraints in order to take this relationship forward with you, or to ascend this relationship to the next level of commitment with you. Okay, let's see my handwritten messages from your person. When you love yourself, then you love me, your twin flame. So you and your person might be in a twin flame connection. Okay, so as I told you in my previous videos, that twin flame are mirror of each other. Okay, so that is why your person is saying that when you love yourself, then you love me. Okay, so they are part of you only. They are not someone different from you. Okay, twin flames are part of ourselves, and they are not they are not different from us. Maybe we are physically physically two persons, but our soul, we share one soul with each other in twin flame connection. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. So this is my Nine of Swords energy. Okay, so they are going through some sleepless nights. Maybe they are going through some fear of loss or anxiety. I wish you were mine. I keep looking at your pictures. So they are looking at your pictures, they are watching you from outside. Okay, they are keeping tabs on you. I am still trying to find myself. I am tired. I have been fighting a battle I can't win, period. My heart feels strange. What is this happening? I feel a special bond with you that I have never felt before. So they are trying to understand this connection, friends. They are they are confused what is going on with them in this connection. Okay, reach out. So they want to reach out to you. You are always on my mind. In my dreams I see a beautiful future with you. Your eyes are beautiful, so they are attracted towards you. Okay, they have lots of feelings and love and affection for you in this connection. I don't want you to sacrifice what's important to you. I am totally heartbroken. I am going to do something surprising. I'll do whatever it takes to make this work. So friends, this can be a brand new person in your life who is watching you from outside, or they can be the person from the past who ran away from this connection and with whom you have broken up. And when you have pulled back your energy and they are seeing you doing well in your life, then now they want you to come back. They are not able to get you out of their head now. Okay, and they are not able to concentrate on other areas of their life, because you both are in twin flame connection. So your energies are tethered to each other. Okay, and you both can feel each other energies in this connection. And when you both come close to each other, you both tend to overwhelm each other, because you both have some spiritual purpose in this lifetime. Okay, and you both help each other to heal some past wounds or childhood wounds, because you both trigger each other in this connection, and you help each other to awaken spiritually in this connection. So that is why we meet our twin flames, to get spiritually awakened and heal ourselves and heal other people around us. Okay, so there is always a higher purpose of separation in twin flame connection. So let's see a love note from your person. I want to take a risk with you. The thought of you with someone else drives me crazy. The chaos this creates is too scary. Hidden truth messages from your person. I know I messed up everything. Romance angel message is soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. And a love song, Back to December by Taylor Swift. Because the last time you saw me is still burned in the back of your mind. You gave me roses and I left them there to die. So maybe your person ran away from this connection. Okay, you may have approached them in this connection and just they have rejected you, or they have not accepted your offer at that time, and just they um, they asked you for more time to take the relationship to the next level of commitment. Okay, so just take what resonates, friends. Okay, you can check out the lyrics of the song in YouTube, or you can google out. Okay, so maybe you get some messages, maybe you resonates with some portion of lyrics. Okay, so we have done with all our messages. So that's all I have for you, friends, in this reading today. Let me know in the comment section below if this reading has assisted you in some way or resonated you. I love to hear from you all. Okay, and I love to have you all subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like the reading, and please hit that notification bell button in order to keep posted on my upcoming videos. Okay friends, so I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care friends.